Urine pregnancy test. Learning objective. By the end of this video, the participants will be able to test and confirm pregnancy by using pregnancy detection kit. Confirmation of pregnancy can be done within 7 days of missed period. These kits detect pregnancy on the basis of the presence of the human chorionic gonadotropin, that is, HCG hormone in the urine, preferably with a morning sample of urine. Diagnosis of pregnancy within first trimester helps in decision-making and further planning. Procedure. Check expiry date on the kit. Open the kit from one side. Remove the pregnancy test card from the pregnancy kit. Keep this card on a flat surface. Use the dropper provided in the kit to take urine from the container. Put 2 drops in the well marked S. Wait for 5 minutes. If one colored band appears in the result window R, the pregnancy test is negative. If 2 parallel colored bands appear, the pregnancy test is positive. If a single purple line appears at the T end of the result well, or no line appears, the test is invalid. Perform the test next morning by using a new card and fresh morning sample of urine. Weak pregnancy test. If the color of the line at the T end is weaker than the color of the line at C end, repeat the test after 2 to 3 days. If still weak positive, refer her to the doctor. Key points. Urine pregnancy test performed within 7 days after missing a menstrual period helps in early diagnosis of pregnancy. Early detection of pregnancy helps in early registration and proper care during pregnancy.